What is up, people? We are back. Christmas special video. So today we're working out legs, getting to a top set of 170 kilos. I will wish you my beard. So guys, going for the top set, 170 kilo. Trying to get 3 reps, but looking a bit unlikely. The knee and the legs are not feeling great, but we shall try with this. Let's see how it goes, guys. some bus driving for strongman. So it's a fun exercise, but it's a shoulder killer. So definitely try it out. Mr. Saad. This is what is called the Rolling Thunder. So it's basically a grip event. So you basically try not to use chalk, and the reason it's called a Rolling Thunder is because of this. So what makes it hard is that it's not fixed. If you're picking it, it's moving around. So basically you stand this way. Of course with shoes you're going to add like 2 inches if you're wearing heels. So you hold it just a normal way, and you're basically with one arm picking, dropping, picking, dropping. Now it looks quite easy. It's not. This is quite lightweight for now. You see, this is a fat grip. See, my hands can't wrap around it. Like this normal bar, you can see pretty easy. My hands are wrapping around it. But this is it's what is called a fat grip. So my hands are not wrapping around it, even if I try. So that makes it very difficult to carry. So we're going to film this. We're going to go heavier and see what we can get to hit the heaviest. Good for forearm. Very good to improve your farmer's walk. Let's see the game. Getting there now. I'm directing a movie and action. It's hard, huh? It just slips. Look. This is an amazing implement. Ah, yes! Ah. It's amazing the right is strong, eh?
I don't know how I'm lifting.
See the now the fat grip is what's making this thing really hard now.
I don't know how my lift is weak.
Yeah, and mine is the other way around. Oh, nice.
So, good news. We just searched and we found out that we can use chalk.
The rules are slightly so you can use chalk on your hand, but not on the implement itself. And you can't use liquid chalk. This is a block, so it's okay. And you can't put chalk on the implement. And you have to basically stand upright with the lift, and then for 1 second at this position, and it's considered a lift. So this is 85 kilos. So let's see if it goes up. In the rolling thunder, 85 kilos. Guys, if you want to try this implement, do let us know. It is a really fun thing to play around with for your grip, and it's not easy as it looks, especially if you have small hands. No offense to anyone with small hands. So guys, this could be unofficially Kenya's Rolling Thunder record, because I don't know if any other gym in Kenya has Rolling Thunder. Don't quote me. If there is someone, let us know in the comments down below. 490.
So now I think we'll
Call it a fucking day.
call it a day. Sorry, the camera is a bit shaking because hands are shaky as well. So see you.
Oh, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell to receive our notifications. Till next time, guys. Peace out.
Till next time. And please do not overdo pre-workout. How excited we were before this happened. Now look at me. It didn't affect him, but I was like I'm having a. He's still high. I'm quite down. Chuck up. Anyways, see you soon. Bye bye.